just in case I need to show to your mom. So what is 7 times 15? What's 7 times 10? And 7 times 5?
15. 20.
What's 7 times 10?
70.
Okay, and then what's 7 times 5?
40.
35. So put those together, 70 and 35. What's 70 and 35?
None.
No, 70 and 35 goes on the top. And then 5 times 2 goes on the bottom. 5 times 2 is not 25. What's 5 times 2?
10.
Okay, so put 10 there. Okay, so you still have to add those. You still have to put those together because we have to make a new fraction now. We're making 70 plus 35 on top, and then the 10 goes on the bottom. So what is 70 plus 35? I don't know what that answer is. Can you write it?
95.
95?
Yes.
70 plus 35?
Yes.
70, 80, 90, 100. Are you sure?
105.
Okay, write it down. You're not being very nice to me. Why aren't you being nice? Okay, that's why I'm videotaping it to show your mom how you're acting to me. Okay, now we have 1/3 times 4. So let's write that one again. 1/3, it's actually times 4 over 1. So can you try that one? Top times top, bottom times bottom. 1 times 4, 3 times 1. Go ahead and rewrite that.
Done.
Okay, where's the answer?
Well, this answer.
Where is it on the paper? You got to fill it in. Okay. Which one shows, this one's kind of hard. We'll skip that one. How about this one? 2 times, let's see, 2 over 1 times 7 over 1. Can you try that one? So 2 times 7 goes here, and 1 times 1 goes there. Can you find the answer on the grid? So what's the answer?
I'm trying to have 14.
Then you write 14 in.
Done.
Oh, only one number in each box. You're doing a great job, but just put 1 in each box, okay? Only one number in each box, right, Ahnessa? Remember? So can you put 1 number in each box?
I don't understand.
1 number. So see how here's the box? Only 1 number in the box. Can you try that? Then the 4 goes right there. Go ahead and do that. Okay, then you have to fill in the bubbles with the correct number. Oh, this one is 4.
1.
Yep. Good. Okay. Noah buys 4 bags of potatoes. Can you draw 4 bags of potatoes? Just draw 4 boxes. Okay. Each bag weighs this much. So can you put that number in each of those? So each bag is that much.
Why I have to draw 4 and not 2?
Because there's 4, see how there's 4 bags? And then each of them weighs, this is 2 pounds and 3/8 heavy. 2 pounds and 3/8, 2 pounds and 3/8, 2 pounds and 3/8. And then we have to add them all up. Okay? So go ahead and put them in.
What?
This number.
2, 2, 2, 2.
And 3/8.
Where I put here 3 eyes here have
2 and 3/8. Nope, you need to write that right there. 2 and 3/8. Has to go inside each box. Okay, now we have to add them all up. So let's go ahead and add the big numbers. 2 and 2 and 2 and 2. How much is that? I'm going to put a line through here. How much are all the big numbers? How many 2s do you have?
4.
You have 4?
Yeah. Yeah, I have 4.
Show me.
1, 2, 3, 4.
How many 2s? Add the
4.
2s up.
I have 1, 2, 3,
4.
2.
Add them all up. Add 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2.
8.
2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 8, right? So now you have a big 8. And then we have 3/8. Oh my gosh, we have this 4 times, right? Remember we just did this before? How many 3s do you have? How many are here? It's okay, I can still hear you.
4.
Okay, so count all the 3s. 3 plus 3 more is how much? It's okay, I'm videotaping it so that we know how you're acting with me, okay? Because you're not being very nice to me.
12.
Okay, so it's 12. So equals 8 and 12/8. Okay, so that number's bigger than that one, right? So how many times does 8 go into that? How many times does 8 go into 12?
The answer 12, 8.
Mm-hmm.
Done. No answer.
Right, but we can't write 12/8 because the number on top can't be bigger. Remember we talked about that with fractions? The number on top cannot be bigger than the number on the bottom. So remember when you have 8, it equals 1. So how many more than 8 is right here?
Here's supposed to be 3.
Oh, is it supposed to be 3 or is it supposed to be 4?
3.
Why 3?
Because here 3.
But we did 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It equals 12/8. We added these all up.
No. 8, 8, 8, 8.
Yeah, but we don't add the bottoms. Remember when we went over fractions, we don't add the bottoms. The bottom always stays the same.
Where will put this? 8, 8,
Right
8.
here, right here.
No, here 4, 8. I hear 1, 8.
Right, because the bottom stays the same. The bottom always stays the same, no matter what. The bottom number always stays the same. So if you have 1/4 plus 1/4, look at here, it equals 2/4.
No, that's 2, 8.
No, when we add them, that's not how it is. Remember when we got our when we had our fraction strips and we added 1/4 and 1/4? It doesn't equal 2/8, did it? So when we had 1/4 and 1/4, it equaled 2/4. So this is 12/8, right? Okay, so now what do we do? 8/8 equals 1. So is there an 8/8 in here and some left over?
But yeah, again, it's only because I got a B minus on there. I just took it more tests.
2, 4.
But remember, it has to be 8.
And I get 2 A plus.
So this one has to be 8 on the bottom, right?
Chip. It took 0 to 3.
No? Don't want to do it? Okay. How about this
We're
one?
done then.
Are you done?
No, that's answer.
You think that's the answer?
Yes.
Okay. And then we'll do, how about this? Do you want to try this one? Want to try this one?
Sure.
7 pieces of string, and each one is 2 1/5 long. And there's how many pieces? 7 of them. So I have to draw 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And they're all that much. So that means we have to put that all together. Can you add those together? 7 times? Go ahead and add those together 7 times. So here's
Answer.
1.
7.
Okay, how did you get that?
Here, 7. 25. It's an alternative state. 25, 25, 25.
So this is 25?
Yeah.
No, this is a 5, and this is a big 2. So this one is 2 1/5. This one is 2 1/5. Each one is 2 1/5. We have to add 2 7 times and then 1/5 7 times. Can you try that? Can you try that? You adding that up?
No, I done. I answered.